Hello everybody, this is Kishore and Are You Game? Today we are going to unbox an exciting toy. Hello everybody, this is Kishore and Are You Game? Today we are going to unbox an exciting toy that can be used for multiple learning purposes. This toy is normally for kids under 3 or 4 years. So if you have kids elder than that, then maybe you would want to skip this. Or even if you want to see the variations of this might actually help you. So let us go ahead and unbox this wonderful toy. Now the intention of doing all these episodes, especially about unboxing some of these games, is that normally we only look at how a kid likes a particular game, give them that particular game and they just play it and leave it. But if we could understand a little of the science behind why that particular game has been used or created, then probably we'll have more applications to that particular game as such. So that's pretty much the intention in what we're going to do now. So let's go ahead and unbox this lovely toy. So are you ready? So the toy is this. It looks very simple, isn't it? And the color looks really good. It's a very simple toy. Nothing but a wooden piece cut in the shape of a butterfly and has some holes drilled into it. Okay, so and there is a thread and a needle kind of a thing that is made out of wood. Now this is basically called as a sewing toy and it is extremely helpful in terms of helping kids to learn a lot of things, especially when you are when you have a 3 or less than 3 years old kid. This toy can come in handy for various things and I'll show you how. Right, so this is the toy. Right, so now that you have seen the toy, it's very simple yet very effective to teach some interesting skills to the kids. The first one is fine motor skills, which is basically how they will use their hands, their fingers, their wrist in terms of making certain diversions or creating something, which is very important, and especially when the kid is less than 3 years old. That is the time when they pick up a lot of these skills in terms of doing fine motions, like picking up something very much in particular among a bunch of things. So it could be as simple as counting these holes to kind of moving across these holes and trying to remember which hole has been counted, which hasn't been. You could do a number of activities with this simple toy. So if your kid is much elder, like 5 years, 6 years old, you could also teach them problem solving, like what would be the longest possible straight line that you could build in this tool. So they would come up with something like from this end to something like this is probably the longest one. Is there another long one that is possible? Of course it is, because it goes from here to here. Can we create a horizontal line in this? Of course we can. So it goes from here to here and that is a horizontal line, right? So like this, there is a lot of problem solving that you can help your kid to understand based on this simple toy. So apart from problem solving, you could also teach them several logical skills, like for example, how can you create an alphabet in this? Or probably if you create a shape on this side, can we create something else on this side? So logically creating something here will leave certain things here. So would that become another shape? So these are some interesting things that you could explore with this toy. And not just that, all of this would actually aim at the cognitive development of the kid. Like for example, can we create crisscross lines in this? can we create shapes in this? Can we probably create a ladder, or can we probably create a shape in this? So similarly, you can do multiple activities with this very small toy. And the best part is that if you would want to buy it, it's not a very expensive one. It comes around 165, I believe, what I purchased. Yeah, it's somewhere around 200 rupees. If you want to purchase it, I can give you the link in the description. But otherwise also, this is very easy to create. If you have a cardboard box, all you need to do is drill some holes and then just give a thread along with a stick which is attached as a needle, and it's as simple as that. So this would be a very effective toy for teaching and engaging kids who are less than 3 years old, and also get them to start thinking about things like counting, shapes, sizes, as well as a lot of other things with great motor skills that they can develop. So this is an interesting toy and easy to make at home as well. If you have any recommendations, do let us know. And in the next unboxing of a wonderful game, I would definitely try to do some unboxing of your suggestions as well. So thank you. That's it for today. Happy gaming!